Good morning, my love. My love, by the way, this is surrounding around my house. And my love, this video I took in the morning around 8 o'clock a.m.